How are you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be busy with a motorbike box or pannier. It was already like resprayed, but it wasn't done properly. Yeah, that's that. It's alright. We can sort it out quickly. Ho ho. So I'm just busy sanding the boxes, and we're gonna spray it in the week. It's Friday today, so next week Monday hopefully we're gonna spray it. I'm not sure. We're gonna see. But yeah, the one box I already started with. I'm maybe gonna make a slideshow, and then I'm gonna show you guys on how it looked and how it turned out. The other box filled up because of the I used paint stripper and it was a whole total mess, but it's alright. It's sorted now. I'm gonna just sand it equal. So yeah, this is the one box. As you guys can see, it was a lot of colors. That's why sanding it down to the plastic, or more or less to the plastic, and then we're just gonna spray it MS in the week. Yeah, it looks bad. It looks bad, but this compared to the other one is way better. It can't open now. Okay, right. But yeah, this like it's here now. This is right because we must now sanding it. I'm not sure when I'm gonna do this one, but I have to finish the other one because, like I said, there's more filler work that must be sanded. So yeah, let's see. Yeah, this is the other box. Must be sanded like this. On top it looks right. Certain places must maybe still be full. Obviously not the inside, but yeah. So it's just that. Just be sanded equal and then it's finished. And this is the bike I was talking about. It's a Honda VFR 800. Lekker VTEC, me bro, VTEC. Thing sounds mooi when it reach VTEC and it's lekker fast. Yeah, so the boxes fit here. And most now obviously on this side. And it's, yeah. Yeah, so what I'm going to be using now is the 80 grit and a 120 grit. The 80 is just to get the worst off, because like I said, it doesn't feel lekker certain places. And afterwards with the 120 just finish it off. Now the M is lekker thick enough to cover all this. Now this isn't it was a scratch, but it's filled up now, or most of it is. So yeah, then I'm just gonna sand it down, and then I'm gonna see where I can still fill up certain places. I just want to get it at least just more or less full, and the image is gonna cover most of the scratches also. So yeah, I'm sorted. So yeah, I bought the materials. For the box, the thinners, sanding paper, the paint for the box, finishing black, it's a 2K black, and yeah, that's it. Yeah, only that 3. I already have the rest. So ek is uitgesort. Wat is hy? Van een werk nou, yeah. It's like 2 weeks later. A lot of events unfold, unfortunately. So that took a bit longer than expected, but yeah, at least it's finished. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but yeah, I'm just gonna flat this one off. The other one is still at work. I primed it at work. I'm gonna finish this one here. Maybe tomorrow. Sort the other one out at work somewhere. This one has the most work because of this. It's a bit too rough here. The gun didn't spray so lekker, but then we used the other gun. So yeah, then it came out right. So luckily around here it's not a lot of work around here, but on top is the most work. But it's not gonna be that difficult. Probably gonna be a 20-minute job or less. So yeah, then I'm just gonna flat this and then flat the other one. Yeah, so guys, the box is gonna move more or less like this. Sorry for the camera focus, man. Don't know what's wrong there. It's gonna look more or less like this. And it's finished. Certain places, it's alright. Maybe gonna put on another layer of primer, just normal grey primer and so, and then this thing is gonna get color. But as you guys saw in the time lapse, I used the guide code just to show the uneven surface. Obviously you can do it without the guide code, but last time I used it just to make the job a bit easier so you can see nicely. And and then I used the 320 water paper, and yeah, that was that. And a rubber block, just to show that out. Looks lekker.
Ja, maar de tuin is oud, man.
Lijkt nog wel mooi, ja. Lijkt mooi.
Dat dan ook een keer zien.